Yeah. Oh, just some regular black gloves. Yeah, yeah, get those. Get those.
It's shining, bro. Couple more.
Those just some regular black gloves? Yeah.
And then fit right in the school. Yeah.
High knees, get them up. Up. High knees, there you go. Work. Bring your hands to your chest, stay tall in your chest. Switch. There you go. Up. Good transition. Switch. 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 Keep working. Switch. Sprint. Push. Dig. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last round is the best round.
Championship round.
Stay in there.
Championship
Stay in there.
round.
Stay in there. Get uncomfortable. Work that fucking pad. Work.
Championship
Work.
round.
Work. Fatigue it.
This
Switch.
is the end of the workout too. So it's
Switch.
still explosive, still going hard.
Switch. Keep fighting. Switch.
Championship round.
Switch.
Championship round.
10, 9,
Dig it out.
8,
7,
6. Let's go.
Dig it
5,
out. Dig it out.
4, 3, 2, and time. Yes, sir. Yes, fuck.
The water.
Here. I got this one right here.
The water.
Here. I got this one right here. Work. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Chop him. Work on keeping those eyes forward. Don't let me pull you. Work. 5, 4, 3, 2. Get in there. Where the arms at? There you go. Okay, work for it. 1, 2. There you go. Quick. Arms. Woo. Work for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time.